It'll be okay. How old are you? Where are you from?
So I'm 28 years old. I'm from Kingston, Jamaica, right? Blood clot this but I live in New York City, big New York, not the little one. Period.
Cool. I'm 29. I'm from California. Have you ever been?
Shout out to Cali, yeah. Shout out to California. I've never been there, but I heard that Cali's real turns out. I really need to visit one day, the parties and stuff like that, because I have a friend living down there.
Oh, cool. What do you do for work?
I'm a model and a dancer.
Okay.
And dancing, drag performance, stuff like that.
Beautiful. I have an office job. Something simple. Yeah, just working in an office.
Yeah.
What's up?
What did you say? Repeat.
Oh, I work in an office. I have an office job.
Okay, nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any questions? Yeah.
So, yeah. Have you ever been with a transgender woman before?
Oh, you I have not. No.
So why did you come up for me?
I don't know. I was just like startled by your good looks, I guess. So.
Oh, you like the way I look cute?
I think so. Well, what do you think about me? Well, what do you think about me? Like, do you think I'm like good looking? I don't know. Like.
Yeah, it's giving hood. It's giving in the hoods. Yeah, with a cap like this on the side of your head. It's giving hood. It's giving run up and you get done up. Yeah.
Type shit. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. I know you were hood. Why were you pretending to not be hood?
I don't know. I'm just like shy,
Yes. Okay.
But the good hood. I'm from the good hood, the good hood type shit.
Oh yeah, because the way you talk, that's what I'm saying. I know it was in you. Like that's some hood. Yeah. So I can take you to the clubs with me. I can take you to the hood clubs with me.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and if they run up on me, what you gonna do? If all the niggas run up on me like they want to touch me, what you gonna do?
I'll punch them, take care of them. No one's gonna touch you.
Yeah. What you gonna say when they come on to me? What you gonna say?
Well, I can't take care, but like, yeah, I'll take care of you. Yeah, if need be. Yeah.
Oh.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do you have any kids? Do you have any kids?
I can't get pregnant.
Oh, okay. Do you have any questions? I don't know. I'm like kind of shy.
Don't be shy.
Well, what do you want to know?
So I want to know, why me overall? Since you have never been with a trans woman, why me?
He doesn't. These comments you. I don't know. I'm just willing to try it out. Yeah.
Focus on me.
Okay. Sorry.
Keep all the eyes.
Okay.
Keep it on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
That other guy was something else on some real shit. That other guy was. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, have you ever been with a trans woman? If
I have not.
Trans woman, why you came up for me? Do you know what's a trans woman?
I think so. Yes.
Oh, what is it? Explain to me.
Could you explain like? She about to eat him alive. So I don't know. Did you want to match or not? Like, sorry, it's like kind of late. I'm kind of tired. Like.
Aww.
So, Ashanti, match or pass?
I'm a respectfully pass, and the reason why I'm a respectfully pass, I hate a pretender. You came up pretending like you're from the hoods and like you're on some real hood shit, but obviously you wasn't. I is from the hood. But I asked you, if someone was running up on me to take your girl away, what would you say?
Oh, I can't say this. It's a public live. Like, I'm not trying to get canceled, Cali, right? Like, I'll take care of you, but like, choice is yours, babe. Yeah.
Yeah, but like, you can at least show how you would do it, like how you would tell them to back off.
I think you're too good for me. Good luck. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Bye.
I like you, Cali. I'm not like for real, like for real.
No yet.
Oh God.
Yo, Bando, we back.
What's up?
Oh, I thought they said you were in jail. Okay, hi. Oh, you're cute. What's up?
What's on?
What's up with you?
Cool. Now how you been?
I've been good.
That's what's up. What's up, Cali?
Yo, bro.
Cool. So, straight to the chase. What you doing? You passing? You matching?
I don't know nothing about you, bro.
What you trying to know?
I want to know anything.
Like what?
I want to know how old you are. Have you ever been with a transgender woman before? And those kind of stuff.
Nah.
You've never been with a transgender woman before, so why you came up for me?
Bando, you gotta pay attention.
My head is up here. Yeah.
No, what you said?
So why you came up for me?
I don't know. You caught my eye.
Oh. So you've never been with a transgender woman, but you just want to experience me. Because I caught you. Do you know what's a transgender woman?
Of course.
What is it?
It's me, but you transitioning into a woman.
Just wanted to make sure you know. Okay. And you've never been with one before. Okay, interesting. Okay. So if I was to give you a chance in my life right now, right? Who would be doing the mending?
What you said?
Who would be doing the bending if I was to give it a chance in my life now?
You.
Now why can't you do it too?
Only thing I'm gonna be bending down doing like picking up groceries, like picking up money to bring to the house. That's the only bending I'm doing.
There ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay. So how old are you?
27.
You're 27. You're 1 year younger than me. So I should be the one that you should be listening to. I should be the one that you should be controlling you. Because you're 1 year younger than me.
Nah.
My eyes is up here.
I'm looking. Mine right here.
So why you like me though? Why?
I don't know.
Can you manage my craziness? Me just being crazy and funny.
I know you crazy.
What do you mean?
People do crazy things.
Okay. Let me see a 360.
Again?
Yeah, please.
You do a 360.
There'll be no 360 for you. I asked to see your body.
So you're not gonna do one?
No. Yeah. This girl called.
Why did you just leave?